Hello everyone, myself MS Bahudimal, Assistant Professor from ADS Department, Unit 4. The topic is choosing a drone based on the application. Choose a drone based on your application requires considering key factor that will affect its performance, features and suitability for your specific need. Here's a guide to help you make the right choice depending on what you plan to use the drone for. Photography and videography, the primary features to look for: camera quality. Camera quality, it describes the look for drones with high resolution camera. Normally, the high resolution camera are fixed in drone. Then flight time, a longer battery life, that is 20 to 30 minutes or more. Then range and transmission. Consider drones with long range transmission and real time HD video feeds for accurate shot composition. Then intelligent flight modes. Then second one is recreational flying. The primary features to look for: ease of use, that is opt for drone with beginner friendly controls such as GPS assisted hover and return to home functions. Then durability, portability and price, these are the primary features of recreational flying. Then racing, the primary features are speed and agility, that is racing drones need to be fast. Then customizability, many drone racers prefer building or modifying their drones to suit their flying style. Then low latency video transmission and durability. Then fourth one is surveying and mapping. GPS accuracy, the high precision GPS or RTK, that is real time kinematic technology, ensure accurate geospatial data. Then multispectral or thermal cameras. Depending on the survey need, that is agriculture, construction, etc., you might require different types of sensor. Then long battery life and software integration. Fifth one is inspection and monitoring. The primary features are specialized camera, that is thermal camera, are useful for inspection of power lines, solar panel or search and rescue operations. Then zoom capabilities, obstacle avoidance, drones with advanced sensor for obstacle avoidance are critical in industrial settings. Then long range communication. Then agriculture, primary features are multispectral sensor. These sensor help monitor crop health, soil condition and irrigation issues. Then large payload capacity, for agriculture spraying, the drone must be able to carry and distribute fertilizers, pesticide or water. Then long flight time, coverage of large field demands drones with high endurance and range. Then security and surveillance, thermal imaging and night vision essential for monitoring in low light or nighttime conditions. Then long flight time and range, drones used for surveillance may need to cover large perimeters or stay airborne for extended periods. Then live video streaming, real time transmission of high quality video to be base station is a key for effective surveillance. Then delivery, payload capacity, autonomous navigation, regulatory compliance. These are the primary factors of delivery. The drone should be able to carry a substantial load depending on the type of delivery. Then advanced waypoint navigation and obstacle avoidance are crucial for ensuring safe and efficient deliveries. Regulatory compliance, delivery drones need to comply with regulations such as FAST Part 107 or PVLOS, that is beyond visual line of sight operations. Then other considerations, budget drones range in price from under $100 for hobbyist models to thousands of dollars for professional ones. Then regulations ensure the drone complies with the local law, that is FAR in the US, regarding weight limit, the no-fly zones and registration. Software and app ecosystem, the availability of companion app or software for mission planning, post processing and data analysis. Thank you.